beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain, and today again I've come up with a new style of draping a sari, new style of draping an organza sari. The organza sari is plain from the front, it's got the other half fully embroidered, and this drape is completely new drape and you'll be awe with this drape, trust me. Before we begin, let me talk about this beautiful blouse and my tea-coat. Let's begin with the tea-coat. I'm wearing this tea-coat and obviously I only wear tea-coat because it is the most amazing friend of your sari, I think. And also it just fits the right amount. It's got enough stretch. It is not body hugging and I would not advise you to wear a body hugging underskirt because it is very difficult for you to do your day-to-day activities. Second thing is, I'm wearing a tea-coat extender. As you can see, it's got two elastic here, very comfortable. In this I'm wearing like a 4 inches heel, if you can see. Now there are times where you don't want to wear 4 inches heel and you want to wear 2 inches heel. So what do? I am not going to tell you to buy tea-coat for 4 inches and then tea-coat for 2 inches. Rather, buy one product which solves both your problems, right? Okay, now here, when you don't want to wear 4 inches, what you do is just take this and fold it inside. And it just, look at this, it's gone high. And you can just switch to a 2 inches heel. Got it? That is the beauty of wearing a tea-coat with extender. So I hope I've done this. Now about the blouse that I'm wearing, it is super fit, fits all, one size fits all type. And it's got this beautiful sleeves, a new creation from the brand Drape Diva. And if you want to make it little short, you can just fold this and wear it like this also. Like if you're very comfortable in showing this part. This is also okay. I mean, if you want to wear it like a crop top, just pull it in. If you don't want to wear it like a crop top, like a blouse, you can just fold it inside. I think it just works perfect. Wherein these days, it's so difficult for us to go for each blouse to a tailor and the tailor not fitting our blouses properly. So I think this is the solution for all your blouse problems. Okay, now enough of our talking. Let's begin with our drape. So now you can see this is a beautiful black organza sari which has some work done on the ends. And the sari is somewhat like this. Beautiful, isn't it? Now to wear this sari, every sari has got its own unique way to wear it. But this sari I'm going to teach you. Let's show, okay? So what you do is you start from your basic tuck. See how I do my basic tuck? It has to be neat. Never do it like this. God knows, what is this? No. So just take the fabric very nicely, hold it like this, fold it and then just shift it inside. It has to be nice and neat, okay? And then what you do is take a round and come back. Done? And then you do the entire first tucking. So yes, I've done my basic tuck. Now in this, the pleating has to be a little different. I'll show you how. So this fabric, you take it till here and you start pleating from here, because what we have to do is, instead of tucking up pleats like this, we are going to tuck up pleats like this. Okay, I'll show you then what you do. So you hold this and you start making your pleats from here. It's organza, you might take little time, have some patience, have some love for this fabric. So till here I've done it. See, till here, little of this. You finish it till the embroidery is there, okay? That way. And you just tuck this in here. Now what you have to do is dust all your pleats properly. Align them so they look nice. And then what you do is tuck this part neat and you take the entire pleat part from here and tuck this whole thing inside. Got it? Nice and neat and clear? Okay. Then what you do is from this part, you take this fabric and you tuck this part here. Okay, I'm tucking this for now and then you're going to pin it. Okay, so after you've done this, now if you want, you can leave this sari as it is, making it look nice and elegant and showing the entire embroidery of the sari. But if you wish to, you can also pleat this sari. I'm just roughly pleating it to show you the effect of the sari. Just like this. See, look at this. Now this, what happens is when you're putting this on top like this, now you're just going to take a pin here and you're going to pin it nice and tightly here. So see what I've done? I've pinned it up nice and tight, giving a nice shape to your body. Okay. Now in this, if you want, you can leave it open also. Like I'll show you. Like this. This also looks very nice, very neat, gives your body a very nice shape. If you want, you can pleat it like the way I've shown. If you want, you can just do a thick double pleat, broad double pleat, something like this. Got it? So let me finish this and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks from front and this is how it looks behind. You can see this. It's nice and a unique way to drape. I really wish you're going to try this. And for all those who want to wear it open, just take off this pin and add another pin here. And that is it. Look at this. Right? I hope you really enjoyed watching this drape as much as I loved creating a new drape for you. So yes, till we meet next, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay blessed. But before you leave my video and go and watch the next video, please leave a feedback, leave your comment and also click on the share button so that we can spread this beautiful Indian art of draping globally. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.